Hey guys, this is gonna be another update. I have gotten three more devices today. This is gonna be another update on my fire alarm collection. This is pretty much 12 devices, and also more system sensor stuff that I got today. So let's start. At this bottom row here, got more of these. Got a horn strobe and a remote strobe, and I'll tell the model number toward the end what they are. So, got more. As you can see, I do like Spectre Alert Classics a lot. So, let's start by looking at all these devices, shall we? The first one is a Simplex Dual Action T-Bar. No model number, unknown. Module's been removed. Don't have the key for it. Basically a Simplex T-Bar. My camera loses focus all the time every time I make a video. First alarm is my System Sensor Spectre Alert Classic Horn Strobe, P2475. Fixed Candela in 75. Up next we have a PC24 115, as you can see. Yeah, so set this down. That's my ceiling mount Spectre Alert Classic right there. Up next, onto the newer devices, we have a System Sensor Spectre Alert Advanced Ceiling Mount PC2W, a ceiling horn strobe, multi-candela in white. Now back to the red alarms. This one's red. It's red. This is my EST Genesis Remote Strobe G. Model number is G1RF-VM. Yeah, so up next we have my System Sensor Spectre Alert Advanced Ceiling Strobe, SCW. This is my only ceiling remote strobe I have. The back plate covers it up, the mounting bracket, whatever. Up next we have my Gentex Commander 4 GCC24CR. You've seen this in Fire Alarm Test 6. Up next we have my Wheelock WMT-24-FR remote strobe. And the plate on it is metal. There we go. Camera does have focusing issues, so I'm trying to get the video as best as I can. So there we go. Up next we have a System Sensor Spectre Alert Advanced P2R horn strobe. Well, these things are pretty loud, like twice as loud than the classic Spectre Alert when the Spectre Alerts are on low volume. Well, I like these things too, but I really don't like them too much, but I still wanted one of these, but well, spike the fact that they're really loud. So there's that. I do like the classic Spectre Alerts better. And for the new devices that I got today, right here we have a System Sensor S1224MC Spectre Alert Classic Remote Strobe. It has the candela, it's multi-candela. Trying to get a view of that label and the camera doesn't want to focus on it at all. There's only one set of terminals. There's the Candela selection switch. I'm not going to adjust the candela in the collection of videos, but I'll show you in some other time when I make a video of these things. They work. They're not broken. They work. They're brand new in box. And up next we have this is the 12-volt model of the Spectre Alert Classic. This one takes 12 volts because this one is a P12-1575 Spectre Alert Classic. It's another horn strobe that I have that is brand new in box. That is a better label than my first Classic Spectre Alert that I got. That label is much better. It's not worn out, it's brand new. It also came with some wire jumpers going up to the horn terminals. From the strobe terminals up to the horn terminals. I can't point at the TV, Thomas, because I don't want to get a copyright strike, okay? I'm still making a collection video. Well, now onto my last device to announce. I do have a couple more coming in the mail. And right here, my last device for now is a System Sensor Mass remote strobe. Non-ADA, frosted, not clear. And the strobe on this is 1.5 candela. Not too bright. This strobe is not very bright at all. It's 12 volts DC. Trying to get a view of the label, but my camera doesn't want to focus it. Hang on a sec. The camera needs to get a proper focus. Hang on, guys. Hang on. This won't focus at all. Sorry guys, I'm getting a little frustrated because this camera doesn't want to focus on this at all. Come on. Are you gonna focus or not? Well, oh well. This is as good as I can get it, but... Oh, finally focused. 12 volts and the model number is SS12LO. This is an outdoor device only, but you can't use this as an indoor at all. Only for testing, I guess. It has fire on all the sides. Well, pretty cool remote strobe from the Mass. And there you go. Camera had a focusing issue, and I can't believe it took that long. Well, I guess that's it. Thank you so much for all the devices in this fire alarm collection. I do like Spectre Alert Classics a lot. I do have a couple more alarms coming in the mail. Can't believe that took that long to focus. Well, we're obviously running out of time, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and thank you all for watching this. Now I'm going to clear this and put this all away. Thank you.